Long ceremony. Okay, so got ready?
Akala ko sasayaw na eh.
Tila ko'y nakalutang na sa langit. Ngunit mo sa iyong maraming ako'y hanggang dito lang.
Okay, so get ready, and this time we would like to invite everyone to stand up, please. Everybody stand up, because we will present for our candle blowing ceremony. So everyone will sing a happy birthday song for Aliyah. Okay, so get ready, mommy and daddy. Get ready, Ate Angel.
Okay, ready?
And of course, Jolly, get ready. Jolly, set.
Okay, everyone sing! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Why? Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so this time make it faster and louder.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so this time, Aliyah, close your eyes and count of 3. Blow your candle and 1, 2, 3, blow.
Okay, blow, blow, go, Aliyah.
One.
Go.
Yay! Happy birthday, Aliyah. And this time, kids, everybody, let's shout, happy birthday, Aliyah. And 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Aliyah.
At isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan. Thank you so much. You may now take your seats, kids and kids at heart. Thank you for joining our candle blowing ceremony. And of course, this time, Mommy and Daddy will remain standing here in front, together with our best friend, Jollibee.
May
Okay, so Jollibee, get ready.
may sayaw yan.
Okay, so once again, we would like to invite all the kids and kids that are to go back to your seats now. Come on.
Okay, everybody, kiss.
Okay, last picture muna tayo.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and smile.
1, 2, 3.
That's you. Hey!
Wow! Okay, so this time, come on. Go back to your seats now again. Ayan, so hawakan niyo muna yung kids nyo. Give space to Jollibee, Mommy and Daddy, stand up please. Okay, since we are complete here the party area, let's hear the birthday wish of Mommy and Daddy for our birthday girl, Aliyah. So let's start with Daddy. So Daddy, what is your wish for Aliyah?
Sorry, shy type na kasi siya. Ako na lang po. Aliyah, my wish for you is for you to grow healthy. Bakit? I'm so proud of you, and my wish and pray that you will achieve everything that you want, that you like, you desire. Okay? And always pray, be responsible, listen to your mommy and to your daddy, ha? Always, ha? And to your tita, and to everyone, your Nina. Okay? That's it.
Oh, thank you so much. Emotional si Mommy. Okay, how about Daddy? Kaya mo yan, Daddy. Birthday o 7th birthday. Kaya itong taon ka para ihanda yung message mo sa kanya. Okay, what's your message, Daddy? Wala? Happy face? Okay, happy face na lang daw. So, Aliyah, dito ka muna. Aliyah, come here. Not yet done. Come here, Aliyah. Okay, so Aliyah, what is your birthday wish or what will you say to your mommy and daddy since we are celebrating your birthday today?
I love you, Mommy and Daddy. I will always remember you as a good person. And sweet and kind to me. And always giving me what I want, and I really thank you for giving me my happiness, and I love you, Mommy, too, and Tita, and Ninang, I love you, everyone. Thank you very much.
Wow! Very emotional talaga si Ate Aliyah. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Nandiyan naiyak din ako doon Ate Angel. Alam mo kung bakit? English kasi dito natin. Alright, so once again, everybody, let's shout happy birthday, Aliyah. And 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Aliyah!
At isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan. And of course, si Mami and Daddy nakapagbigay ng birthday wish for our birthday celebrant. I think also Jollibee about sa birthday wish for our birthday celebrant naman.
Okay, how many wishes do you have, Jollibee?
1, 2, 3 wishes. Wow. Okay, so get ready, Ate Angel.
Okay, for the first wish is for you, Aliyah, to grow up to be
To be a smart and intelligent person. Palakpakan naman natin si Jollibee.
Okay, for the second wish is for you, Aliyah, to grow up to be strong
And healthy person. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee. Alright, so your third and last wishes, Jollibee, is for Aliyah to grow up to be always be happy, just like our kids' best friend,
Jollibee!
Wow, so malakas na palakpakan naman dyan for Jollibee. Thank you so much, Jollibee, for your wonderful wishes for our birthday celebrant. And this time is not the end of this program because Jollibee also have a birthday present for our birthday celebrant. So, Princess Aliyah, close your eyes first, come on. Here at the center, close your eyes. Get ready to sleep. Okay, so Jollibee, take your birthday presents now. Yan, nakayayin na dahil Jollibee. Alright, so once again, please welcome your best friend Jollibee together with... Wow! Take a picture, Mommy and Daddy, here at the center again. And take a picture with Jollibee. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, so Aliyah is not only a stop toy, pwede mong buksan yung likod ni Jollibee. For the future po yan. So you have a 1-year scholarship program. Ano ba yung naman, John? What's that? It's a magic flash bag.
Wow!
Thank you so much, Jollibee. It's a bag. Wow, thank you so much, Jollibee, for your gift for our birthday celebrant. And this time, we would like to invite all the kids to form one straight line here in front for our loot bags giving.
Okay, come on, kids. Let's go forward.
So we have boys and girls at the Angel. For that one for the girls, this one is for the boys.
Okay. Okay, all the girls.
All the boys, one straight line here at the side, and all the girls at the side also with Ate Angel.
Okay, Jollibee.
Mami, this one is for the boys, and this one for the girls. All the boys here.
Again, Aliyah.
Hey, Mami, ito po yung boys natin.
Okay.
Okay, for the boys, one straight line. Come on, get your loot bags. All the other kids, get their loot bags here in front. Okay, so this time for our kids that are sa 3 years left, take a picture with Jollibee. Take your selfie now. Sa gusto mo ba picture kay Jollibee? Ma! naka-video po kayo, kahit na-live po kayo sa CNN. CNN na pala, reports na pala. Hop! Hop! Nakamukha lang ni Jollibee, naka-live ka Jollibee. Hawakan mo mabuti yan, hindi yan chicken joy. Ako bang malaglag.